wondered why people behave the way they do in society? Or why social problems seem to repeat generation after generation? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the world of sociology, where your questions about society find real, research based answers. Let's begin our journey into understanding our social problems. What is sociology? Sociology is basically a scientific study of human society, social behavior, and institutions, but unlike common sense, which is often based on opinion or anecdote. Sociology relies on systematic research method. It helps us understand how individual choices are shaped by broader forces like culture, economy, history, and institutions. The sociological imagination. C. Wright Mills introduced the powerful idea of sociological imagination, the ability to connect personal troubles to public issues. For example, one person losing a job may be seen as a personal problem, but when millions face unemployment, it's a social issue that needs to be solved with a structural solution. Sociology helps us make these vital connections. As I have discussed this earlier as well, there are some core theories of sociology. Sociologists use different lenses to understand society. Structural functionalism sees society as a system where every part works together for stability. Conflict theory focuses on inequality and power struggles. Symbolic interactionism examines how people create meaning in everyday life through language and symbols. These theories together provide a powerful toolkit for analysis. These theories are not mutually exclusive. Sociologists often combine them for a more comprehensive understanding and creating their ideas and their formats basing on these theories. The sociologist's toolkit and how they are studying human behavior. Sociologists gather data using diverse methods such as surveys for large trends, interviews for personal depth, participant observations for real life context, and document analysis. These methods ensure objectivity, depth, and reliability in understanding complex and social phenomena. But more often the question is asked by the students that why sociology matters. Sociology plays a critical and a vital role in understanding and in addressing real-world challenges, global inequality, urbanization, environmental crisis, and systematic discrimination. By revealing hidden patterns, sociology helps us design better solutions for a fairer, more equitable world. Sociological insights translate into tangible solutions, informing public policy, driving social change, and improving community well-being. From healthcare to education, sociology provides the data and understand needs for effective intervention. Sociological research informs legislation on poverty, crime, and public health, ensuring policies are evidence-based and responsive to societal. And activist organizations use sociological analysis to mobilize communities, advocate or marginalized groups, and create grassroots changes. But why to study sociology and how it's going to help you in diverse career paths? Here is the answer. A degree in sociology leads to careers in research, social work, public policy, education, human resources, and beyond. The analytical research and communication skills gained are highly valuable in today's dynamic world. So, if you are studying sociology, it's not minimizing your career limits, and it is not stopping you or putting any barrier on your career. You can go for market research analyst, you can be an HR specialist, you can be a social worker and counselor as well. So you are having a long way to go with sociology. As a student of sociology, you will explore core theories, conduct real research, debate key issues, and gain tools to challenge assumptions. Specialized electives let you explore topics like gender, race, criminology, and more. Your studies will equip you with the tools to critically analyze the world around you and contribute to meaningful change. Sociology teaches us to see beyond the surface. There are some takeaways and your questions that could be answered that over here. It helps you to uncover the forces shaping human behavior and social change, whether you are just beginning or deep into the studies. This field equips you to analyze, engage, and transform society. So if this video sparked your curiosity, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Drop your questions in the comments and keep learning about the world around you. Happy sociology!